right, this is the quiz review. It does say no calculator. Remember, the EOC will have the first part of it will be no calculator, so these are the type of questions that will be on the no calculator part of the EOC. Since we are in remote learning, you can use a calculator on this, but it's great if you know how to do it without, because the EOC will have you doing some questions. Also, remember, you can pause this video at any time if you need more time to write. You can go back and rewind if you want to listen to something again. That's the great thing about a video. All right, number 1, Speedy Messenger Service charges a $30 base fee and 75 cents per ounce for urgent small package deliveries between office buildings. Quick Delivery charges $25 base fee and $1 per ounce. For what number of ounces do the companies cost the same? So, same is your key word. If I want them to cost the same, I want them to be equal. So Speedy Messenger Service charges $30 plus 75 cents per ounce. So I put an X. Quick Delivery charges $25 plus $1 per ounce. Remember, I put my X's over on this side, so I subtract 1X. That gives me negative 0.25X. And then subtract 30, which gives me negative 5. And then divide both sides by negative 0.25, and you get 20. Number 2, Internet Company A charges a $5 setup fee plus 5 cents per minute. Internet Company B charges 10 cents per minute with no startup fee. Which function represents the difference in cost between Company A and Company B? Difference means I'm subtracting. So Company A charges $5 plus 0.05 per minute. Company B charges 10 cents per minute and no startup fee. You can put a 0 if you want. And I am subtracting these, but you have to remember that you're subtracting both things. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 cents take away 10 cents is negative 5 cents. So negative 5 cents. So I need to have a negative with the 0.05M, and I need this 5 to be positive, which leaves me answer A. Number 3, Coach Ham has $120 in his checking account. He deposits $36 into the account every month and does not withdraw any money. Which function rule gives the amount of money A in his checking account after N months? So he starts with 120. But then he does $36 every month. So 36 gets the N, and 120 does not have a variable. So the answer is D. Number 4, which is the difference in the following expression? So this is one where I need to put a 1 here and negative 1 here. So when you multiply by 1, 3x squared, positive 2x, negative 10. But when I multiply by negative 1, my signs change. Negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3x. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4x squared. Negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. All right, and then I have to combine like terms. 3x squared goes with negative 4x squared. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Then 2x plus 3x is 5x. And negative 10 minus 6 is negative 16. Number 5, find the smallest of 3 consecutive integers if the sum of the larger two is 159. So I have 3 consecutive. It does not say even or odd. So I have x plus 1, x plus 2. Sum means to add. Sum of the larger two. Well, these are the larger two, so I'm not using that one at all for right now. So I'm going to add these, so that gives me 2x plus 3 is means equal 159. So I need to solve that. 2x plus 3 equals 159. So I draw my line, subtract 3, so that gives me 156, and divide by 2. So 2 into 156, 2, 14, 1. All right, so I get 78. And it says find the smallest. So 78 is the smallest. Number 6, Margaret's Bakery charges a $60 base fee and $2 per slice of cake served at weddings. Sweet Delight charges $45 base fee and $3 per slice of wedding cake served. Which function represents the total cost for both companies catering a wedding based on X number of slices? So Margaret's Bakery is $60 and $2 per slice. Sweet Delight is $45 plus $3 per slice. And total means we're going to add. When you go to the grocery store and they give you your total, they've added up all your groceries. So we're going to add these up. So that gives me 105 plus 5x. So the x is with the 5, so that's important. The x is with the 5, so your answer is A. Number 7, Mr. Lovejoy has 520 rare coins. He needs a total of 1,000 coins to submit them to the Collector's Edition Hall of Fame. He finds and purchases an average of 40 coins per month. How many months will it take him to have 1,000 coins? So he starts with 520. 1,000 is his total, so that's going to go after the equals. He purchases 40 per month, so he's going to add that. So he started with 520, and he's going to add 40 per month. All right, and we're going to solve this for x. So we're going to subtract 520. So it gives me 0, 9, 10, 9, oops, this is 0. 7, 570. And then you got to divide both sides by 40. So 40 into 570, 40 goes once. And 40 into, sorry, made a mistake right here. 0 minus 0 is 0. Oh, this is, oh, sorry. I messed this up. So that's a 0, this is a 9, and this is a 10. So this should be an 8, and this should be a 4. So this should be 480. Sorry about that. 480 divided by 40. So 40 goes into 48 once, and 40 goes into 80 twice. So x equals 12. All right, number 8, the Student Government Association will be hosting themed tailgates for some of the home football games. They estimate the following costs: $4 per person for food, $36 to decorate, $2 per person for plates, cups, etc., and $22 to advertise. The total cost was $508. How many people came to the tailgate? So their cost, 4 per person, so that's 4x, plus $36 to decorate, plus 2 per person, so that's 2x, plus $22 to advertise. The total cost is $508. So 4x plus 2x is 6x, 36 plus 22, so I'm combining like terms. So combine like terms. 4x plus 2x is 6x, 36 and 22 is 58. Then I'm going to subtract 58. 8 minus 8 is 0. 50 minus 5 is 450. So I get 6x equals 450. And then you divide both sides by 6. 6 goes into 45 7 times, and 6 goes into 35. So you get x equals 75. So 75 people came to the tailgate.